4Runner's liftgate can still be opened and closed the good old-fashioned way, but some equipped grades have a new, highly anticipated method, a power liftgate. The liftgate can be opened by holding the button on the panel to the left of the steering wheel until you hear it beep. You can also follow the same process with your smart key. Closing the liftgate is just as easy. You can either use the same methods you used to open the liftgate, or you can press the close button located at the bottom of the open liftgate near the latch. But that's not all that's new. If your hands are full and you can't fumble around for buttons or keys, you can easily control the rear liftgate with the kick sensor. To use the kick sensor, the vehicle must be turned off. With your smart key in your purse, bag, or pocket, approach the liftgate and kick your foot gently under the center of the vehicle and stand back 10 to 13 inches to allow the liftgate to move safely. A couple of tips. First, don't let your foot linger. The liftgate will not start opening as long as your foot is detected under the sensor. Second, one kick is all it takes. Kicking more than once may interrupt the opening or closing of the liftgate.